Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the child account. Go straight to the gear icon and open Settings. Once there, tap Privacy then Security so you can change who interacts with the account. Make sure you have the parent email or phone nearby for verification prompts, because Roblox may require a confirmation step. As you proceed, keep the child present so they understand the change. This step establishes where controls live and prepares you to apply limits immediately. Now you adjust communication and content. Set who can message me and who can chat to friends or no one, depending on desired strictness. Next, enable account restrictions to force age-appropriate experiences across the platform. This locks down games and chat automatically. Make sure to review other settings like video or voice chat and disable location or third-party sharing if you want tighter control. Once done, these middle settings reduce exposure and limit interactions without repeated intervention. Finish by saving changes and then logging out. Test the child account with a controlled friend account to confirm the new restrictions work. You should also enable two-step verification on the parent account to prevent unauthorized changes later. If you hit problems, clear the app cache, update Roblox to the latest version, and reapply settings. This fixes most sync issues. If settings still don't stick, reboot the device and repeat the test so you can be confident the controls are active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.